Alright, welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to design the top doctor page, which is going to be the last page for the user dashboard. So let's select this page here, this particular one, and duplicate it to the right. Okay, so here we'll remove the search bar and delete it. Then we'll just duplicate this frame here, complete, and bring it here. Update the specialist to top. Okay, and the X position, change it to 20, and then it should be 10. So ungroup it, select the icon and the text, make it 10. Alright, so that's perfect there. So next, we're going to, at the top doctor page, there's going to be little bit differences in the icons of these favorites. So these favorite icons, some of them will be filled, that is, some of them will be selected, while some will not be selected. So we have to, put it in that place. Now for us to do that, we can quickly copy or add it from our instance. We have one favorite there that we already created, so we just delete this one that come with the frames. Okay, so let's go to our instance, assets, and search for that favorite icon. This is it. We'll add it to our design system. So we add it to our page here. So now we have it here. What you're going to do is to change the background fill to our global color and also give it border result of 5. Okay, then we change the icon color to height. Alright, so you can take a scale tool and resize it down a bit. So now let's select that and still scale it down a bit. Maybe we'll take it down to 24 by 24 by 24. That's too small on Z. Okay, let's take our scale tool and still scale it down. So that's perfect now. Okay, and put it into the center of the frame. So Alt key you drag to make it duplicate to the second frame. Also put it to the center of the frame. Delete this one. Then Alt key, drag to the center of this frame. No substance. Then the X position should be the same throughout. That's 316. This one should be 316. And this one too, change it to 316. And the last one to 316. Excuse me. That is 16. Then this last one would also delete it and add this. Then we can now change the instance for the favorite icon. Alt key you drag, then we keep it there, and 316. Okay, also position it in the middle of the frame. Now here we're going to change the instance of this so that some of them will be filled while some will not be filled. Okay, so go there, select the icon and go to the instance size, change it. So let's select the extend and go to the variant part. So we change the default property to select state here. So I can change the color to change it to hide this. Okay. Then we'll choose one to be filled. That's this first one. Go to the default and change it to select state and change it to height as well. All right, this way is perfect, so that some will be selected, some will not be selected. So if you want, you can add more lists and make it scrollable vertically, so that way it's done. All right, so let's check. All right, congratulations, we're done with the last screen. It is a top doctor page. So far we have designed from home menu down to top doctor page. So in next class we're going to connect all the prototype. Okay, see that.